Hello, Isaac. Andariki namaskaram. Thank you, everybody here. Thanks the press for coming here and celebrating the trailer launch with us. I'm very, very grateful for everybody present here. Thank you so much. Um, Double Smart is a very, very special film for me because, firstly, I had the opportunity to shoot next to Ram, Ustad Rapo, uh, which was a blessing, and also my favorite director, Puri Jagannath sir. And I think I'm very lucky to have been a part of this film because it's going to be a blast on 15th August for you all. And I can't wait for you all to enjoy Double is Smart on 15 August. Please go watch and let us know how you love it. Thank you.
Thank you, Kavya. Thank you so much.
Thank
and
you.
wish you good luck. रुकी है ना यहीं पर थोड़ी देर ప్లీజ్ ప్లీజ్ టేక్ అ సీట్ ఎంజాయ్ రుక్ జావ్ అంటే నిజంగా సో స్వీట్ ఓహో నిజంగానే తను ఉండి తను కూడా హోస్ట్ చేద్దాం అనుకుందా ఏం ఓకే పర్వాలేదు తర్వాత అనుకుందాం మనం అది